Have you ever heard of Hippocrates, the father of medicine? He used the terms carcinose and carcinoma to describe non-ulcer-forming and ulcer-forming tumors in his patients. Yes, I'm talking about the C word, cancer, the Latin word for crab. So, what is cancer? Cancer is mutated cells that accumulate mutations. Sometimes the body is able to detect the mutated cells and kill them before they go out of control. Other times, the mutations are able to disguise the cancer cells as normal cells. Then, these cancer cells spread to nearby tissues and organs and sometimes metastasize to different parts of the body, which means they spread to different organs such as the brain and the lymph nodes. Cancer is so hard to treat due to its complexity and the speed at which it spreads throughout the body. Cancer can spread through nearby tissues, through blood vessels, or through the lymphatic system in the brain. Now, let's dive into artificial intelligence. AI is typically defined as the ability of a machine to perform cognitive functions we associate with the human mind. Great, AI sounds exciting, but what is machine learning? Machine learning algorithms detect patterns and learn how to make predictions and recommendations by processing data and experiences rather than being explicitly written in program. There are three major types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning step 1, training the model. Supervised learning step 2, testing the model. Unsupervised learning. Reinforcement learning step 1, observation. Step 2, with a negative reward. Step 3, with a positive reward. Machine learning is not without talking about deep learning. Deep learning is a part of a broader family of machine learning methods based on a wider range of data resources that require less data preprocessing by humans. There are two parts to cancer: prediction and detection. Risk assessment is about trying to predict the likelihood of developing a type of cancer prior to the occurrence of the disease. The prediction of cancer reoccurrence is about determining the likelihood of redeveloping cancer after the apparent resolution of the disease. The prediction of cancer survivability is determining an outcome after the diagnosis of the disease. Experts in cancer research have put together a list of features to identify cancer cells, which is a better alternative than adding chemicals to blood samples that result in destroyed cells. Manual metastasized detection is time-consuming and error-prone. Deep learning networks have significantly improved accuracy on a wide range of computer vision tasks, such as image recognition, object detection, and somatic segmentation. Also, machine learning is used in cancer research labs to classify tumors based on growth characteristics features like where they grow, how fast they grow, size, etc., and classify them into groups based on similar range of predictive outcomes, so that one can create a controlled environment by picking a classified group and perform desirable experiments to see the effect. So who's up for the next big cancer breakthrough to push the still nascent field forward?